Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 11 is up to date and optionally backing up the registry. This protects you if you change values. Next, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Colors. Turn on Transparency effects here so the system-level option is enabled. Once done, that allows later tweaks to the taskbar. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account because the next steps require elevated access. You now edit the registry to force toolbar transparency. Open Regedit as administrator and navigate to hkcu/Microsoft/Windows/current version/themes/personalize. If taskbar transparency doesn't exist, create a new Word 32-bit named taskbar transparency and set its value to 1. This tells Windows to apply transparency to the taskbar. Once set, close Regedit and sign out or restart Explorer so the change takes effect. If you prefer reversible changes, export the key first. To finish, restart Windows Explorer or reboot the PC so your registry change applies to the taskbar. Once done, you should see a transparent toolbar. If it's subtle, use a light or acrylic wallpaper for better contrast. If native transparency isn't enough, consider trusted third-party utilities, but make sure you understand permissions. If nothing changes, double-check that transparency effects remain enabled in settings and verify taskbar transparency equals 1 in the registry. Revert the exported key if you need to undo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.